In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect a Facebook business page to Instagram. Start by opening facebook.com in your browser. Make sure you are already signed in to your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to connect to Instagram. This is important because the connection settings need to be changed from the business page itself, not from your personal profile. After you are on the correct business page, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This will open the main settings area for your page. On the settings page, scroll down until you reach the permissions section. In that section, find the option called Linked Accounts and click on it. You will now see the available account types that can be connected to your Facebook business page. Select Instagram from the list of linked account options. Facebook will then show you some information about what happens when you connect your Instagram account. Take a moment to review that information so you understand the connection process and what features may become available once the accounts are linked. When you are ready to continue, click Connect Account. A confirmation window will appear on the screen. In that window, click Connect to move forward. This will take you to the Instagram sign-in page so you can complete the setup. At this point, sign in to the Instagram account that you want to link to your Facebook business page. Enter your Instagram login details and follow any prompts that appear on the screen. Once the sign-in is complete, Facebook will finish connecting the Instagram account to your business page. After the process is done, your Instagram account should appear as a linked account inside the page settings. This means the connection was successful. You can then return to your page settings at any time if you want to review or manage the linked Instagram account. This setup can be useful if you want to manage your business presence more efficiently across both platforms. It also helps prepare your accounts for features that depend on having Facebook and Instagram connected. Follow each step carefully, and the process should only take a few minutes to complete. Once you have signed in and approved the connection, your Facebook business page and Instagram account will be linked. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.